Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make raspberry gelato. Start with the freshest raspberries for vibrant flavor. Combine milk, cream, and sugar in a saucepan. Heat gently until the sugar dissolves completely. Add a touch of vanilla extract for depth. This simple base is crucial for a smooth, rich gelato. Ensure all ingredients are high quality for an exceptional dessert. Next, blend your fresh raspberries until they form a smooth puree. This step is vital for a silky texture. Pass the puree through a fine mesh sieve to remove all the tiny seeds, ensuring a perfectly smooth gelato. Press down on the solids to extract every drop of delicious raspberry essence. This concentrated flavor is key. Once your cream base is cool, gently fold in the seedless raspberry puree. Make sure the entire mixture is thoroughly chilled, ideally for at least 4 hours before churning. This pre-chilling step is essential for optimal gelato consistency. Pour the cold mixture into your ice cream maker and churn until it reaches a soft serve texture, typically for 20 to 25 minutes. After churning, transfer your delicious, soft gelato into an airtight container. Freeze it for at least 2 to 3 hours to achieve that perfect, scoopable consistency. When you're ready to enjoy, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften slightly. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. This homemade raspberry gelato is truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.